We're going to create walking moves in Scratch. To do that, we want to open up our project. We should select a sprite. That sprite should have two costumes. And we are going to click on the on-click event trigger. And then after that, we want to add a control. That control is going to be a repeat. So we're going to have a loop. And then you're going to notice that we have the motion block. We're going to set that motion block and duplicate it. And we also want to switch the costumes. So we want costume 1 and costume 2. And you can see those two costumes here. Then we want to add a weight control. So we go to Control, Weight, and we're going to just adjust that to 0.25. We'll duplicate it, and now we're going to build this. So we're going to put it all together. And now we're going to stick it underneath that event handler. You can see our guys moving now to the right. We're going to duplicate it. And we're going to change this to the left arrow. So now we have left and right arrow. But we still need to make some changes about direction. So we're going to point in the direction of -90. And then we also want to set rotation style as left-right. We can do this for both of them. And once we do that, we have a walking sprite.